welcome back to my channel. I'm Denny, and today I have a Ipsy versus Ipsy. However, this is past due because this was for the month of August. Please excuse my appearance. I've been having a lot of migraines and I didn't feel like wearing any makeup. So today, I know I already had posted last month a video showing you what I got in my Ipsy bag. But today we are going to see what my second profile had. Now this one came in pretty late, so I couldn't do an Ipsy versus Ipsy back then. But nonetheless, here we are. So if you did not see that video where I was showing you what I normally received, this is that bag. So for my profile that has my real age, my actual settings of my preferences and what I look like, skin type and all of those things, that's this bag. And then this other one is going to be a younger version of me that likes only certain cosmetics or just cosmetics. So my profile is set up with my likes, which mostly is like skincare and things like that because it's what I'm into. Second one is going to be a younger version of me who only likes cosmetics, no skincare, and also that has a different shade of eye color than what I normally have, and I believe she's a redhead. So let's go ahead and look at my normal one. Like I mentioned, I already posted this video. I received a Pixie by Petra blush. I also received a face wash from Bean. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's just a gel to wash your face. I also received the glow drops from Eddie Funkhauser, and I also received the Bang Beauty. This is a little quad. It's a smoky quad. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that one right there. This is that eyeshadow, which for my preferences, I thought this was kind of basic, but we'll get into that in just a few minutes. And then the last thing was a lip liner from Makeup Forever, which was in the shade whatever walnut. So from my bag that I normally get, I absolutely love the Pixie by Petra blush. I like blushes in general, and this one was a nice one. I do like to receive face washes in my bags, so that was a good one. I absolutely love highlight. However, I'm not really good at using liquid highlighter, but I did give this a try and I thought the color payoff was pretty nice. The Bang Beauty quad, I did love that it was a quad. I did not like the shades for myself because I felt that it was really basic, and if you say that you're experienced with makeup, you want some more like wild colors, so this is going to be in a giveaway for sure. And then the lip liner, I barely use lip liners, and it's in a shade that I probably would not use because it's like a brown shade, so this might be in a giveaway in the future as well. It was still a good product, and all in all, I felt that my bag was nice, but there were a few things that could have changed. So on to this other profile. So the first thing that came in with this profile was a brush, and this is the SL Miss Glam, and this is a SG62 brush. I absolutely love brushes, and when I said that I wanted cosmetics and tools was on there as well. This feels super soft. This is nice, and this is like a highlighting brush, I believe. It doesn't say what it is, so that was really nice. Then the next thing that I am seeing inside my bag is this Ciate London Glow 2 highlighter, which I would expect in something when I'm saying that I want more makeup. So the highlighter that I receive is a single like this. It's in the shade Moon Dust. I can't take it out, but that is that shade right there, Moon Dust, and it looks very pretty. That's that one swatched on my hand. Has quite a bit of glitter, which I don't mind. I like glitter. Then the next thing inside of this bag is from Ipsy, and it is a lip crayon in plum. Alright, so let's go ahead and open that. My little box is a little bit damaged. So that is that lip crayon right there, and it looks like it's, oh, it definitely is a plum shade. There is that shade right there. I like it. So yes, another cosmetics product. Very excited about that. And then I do see this, which is from Hikari. It's a cream pigment in the color Fierce. And I know that this is a red because I know someone else who received a similar bag as this one. So this is that Fierce shade. That is pretty. And I typically don't like singles in general, just because I have to put them inside a Z palette. But let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, that's so pretty. This is gonna be beautiful for the fall. Look at that. This reminds me of a color that I have in another palette. I think it's a Morphe palette, the Glam palette that I received as a giveaway win. And then the last thing that I have here is the black tea. It says London Classic Serum by Tony Moly. So this is a serum. It's a facial serum, which my profile said no skincare, but I still got skincare. So I don't know if they actually look at your profile when they're doing these bags or if they don't, but it did have a lot of heavy well, it had 3 makeup products, 2 non-makeup products, but I'm gonna count this as something I wanted because I did say I wanted tools. So just one item was a little off, and I think this is something that they could have sent in my older profile or my normal profile because I do love serums. So I'm definitely gonna give this guy a try no matter what. Overall, I liked both of the bags. I like the contents inside of them, and I'm gonna do this again this month when I get my Ipsys. I hope that they both come together. That way I can show you what I received in both of them, and we can put them head to head and see if the Ipsy hack actually works. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my GonzFam, and as always, from my house to yours, love ya.